I'm here getting ready to assemble my yoga body rig to put it outside. We're finally having good weather, so I can't wait to start practicing my yoga trapeze, my aerial hoop outdoors. Let's get started. I have my pouch with all the screws so I don't lose anything. Let's begin. Bring all your pieces where you want to set up your rig. We will be doing it in comfort. I have a little garden bench and we're ready to go. I have the legs here. Some of them were pre-assembled. I've been using this rig for a couple of years. So we have the foot part of the leg and then the segments that connect one into the other with a screw. That's what I'm going to be doing, connecting all three segments that will eventually go into the top bar. I created a little marker for myself, so when I assemble it, I know where to stop and I know where that bottom hole is, so I can easily connect the two legs in the right place. Otherwise, the leg is going to go up and down and I don't know where my hole is there. Here I'm putting in the leg into the top bar. Takes a little bit of wiggle to get the screw going in, but once you get in, I like it to go smoothly, which means that I won't have many problems down the road tightening it. So that's why I like to do it by hand first to line it up properly. There we go. All four legs are now assembled. Don't forget to go in and tighten the screws.
Subscribe for more practices like this and continue whenever you feel ready.